Welcome to Nextgen Engineers by Ankit. I am Ankit and I am here to share my journey and I help you to excel in your studies. Firstly, I would like to share my journey till date. Firstly, I was in Delhi. I grown up in Delhi. After that, I moved to Jamshedpur and I reside there for 10 years. And after that, after completing my 10th, I then went in my hometown and then returned to my hometown in Bihar for my 12th. After completion of 12th, I have started giving many several entrance exams. I secured admission in ITR 601 Anushandan University and I am now in my second year of BTech in computer science and engineering. Here's the question arises that what is the need of making a YouTube channel? Everybody is making this type of contents. Why is it important? What's the need? My answer is that my goal is to make quality education accessible to everyone regardless of their financial background. But being from a middle class family, I understand the challenges, and with my father's support I have decided to help the students that can afford expensive study environments. On this channel, I will cover a wide range of topics including Microsoft Java, HTML, C++, JavaScript, and many more other programs. I will upload structured courses, each of its own playlist of analysis. You can follow the path of our teaching styles and revisit any lessons if you haven't watched, or you can watch whenever you need. Okay. In addition to programming and software skills, I will be covering BTech subjects which were taught in colleges from first year to final year. You will find valuable contents that align with your academic curriculum. Now we'll start with the first semester course, in which I will teach you all 5 subjects like discrete maths, calculus, university physics, which is UPM, critical thinking, and introduction to computer programming with different playlists. So join our growing community of Nextgen engineers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest uploads. Together we will navigate the exciting world of technology and engineering. Thanks for visiting Nextgen Engineers by Ankit. I'm excited to be your guide on this educational journey. Let's get started. So, I will meet with all of you in the next video. So, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks.